Good morning. It's April 27th, 2017. My name is Jim Whitley, and I'm going to share with you some of my morning notes. As always, be sure you're trading your plan. So if we take a look at the SPY here, we had this possible reversal candle yesterday. The 5-day, on the SPY here is at 237.08. So if we zoom in on the hourly, we can see that's coming out to around the 50-hour mark. I made a note of 236.61 as a 22-hour low on it. A 22-hour comes in at 238.07. That's another interesting spot here. Maybe be able to hold that without filling the gap. Well, we'll see. Same thing with the Qs. We have a possible reversal candle there. I'm saying possible because anything can happen. But just taking a look at the chart, the 22-hour on the Qs is at 134.62, and a 22-hour low would be about 133.84. We got new highs on the Russell, so IWM it actually finished fair. Kind of mid-range of its day. The 22-hour on IWM is at 140.23 right now. Should we get any gap fill on that? We also made a note of a 22-hour low of 138.56. Biotech, this 304, 305 area is interesting right now with IBB. We're still playing around with this spot. The 22-day on it now has started bending up a little bit and got a little Fibonacci area here too, around that 291.43 area. If we zoom in on the hourly on that, we can see the fib line a little bit better. This 290.92 area is certainly key. 294 is interesting as well. That would come down to before you would fill that gap. XLE energy came up and touched that descending 22-day yesterday, which is now around 69.28. It did fail. You got some fib support, and 67.45 is going to be the 22-day low on that. Financials, the 22-day on the financials is 23.57. We are still above the 50-day. It's a little spotty in here. Taking a look at technology XLK, the 5-day on it would be around 53.70. If we zoom in on the hour, the 22-hour comes in here at the 53.91, and around this 50 bar here is your low of 53.64. Healthcare, had a fair day. I made a note of 74.56 at the 5-day. Little fib support there as well. 74.52 is going to be a 50 bar, the 50 hour, so it's right around that same area. Still really constructive up here too. At the 22 bar is at 74.87, so that's another level to kind of keep an eye on. So that'll do it for this morning's morning notes. You can connect with me on Twitter and Facebook at Whitley Trading. Emails can be sent to jimwhitleytrading@gmail.com. And you guys have a fantastic day. I'll catch up with you a little bit later.